Hi, my name is Sai Prashant Reddy. I've been a student of Mahatma Gandhi Law College. I've done my 3-year LLB course. Prior to that, I've done my BTech in Electronics and Communication from Shastra University. And after my LLB, I've done MBA from Rutgers University, New Jersey, USA. And I worked earlier at Estee Lauder Companies, which is one of the top cosmetic manufacturers in the world, in their demand planning. I worked for Bristol Myers Squibb, which is a top pharma company for their logistics team as a co-op, and then been working for the last 2.5 years for Dow Jones and Company, which is a publisher of the Wall Street Journal, one of the most prominent newspapers in the world, in their global finance operations team as a procurement manager.
What about your opinion on the college, Mahatma Gandhi? What do you learn from this college, and how was the teaching in this college particularly?
Definitely. My opinion on this college is twofold. One, I have been seeing from the eyes of management, as my father has been running this since the past 30 years. And this college is older than me. This was started even before I was born. So, right since my childhood, I have been seeing the progress of this college, which was phenomenal. But I would prefer to speak more like a student, because I have been a student of this college as well. So, it's been a great experience learning law, and as I mentioned in our conversation earlier, me doing law was not exactly out of my choice. It was rather my dad asking me to do law and he ensuring that I get into the law school. But this is one decision that I am really happy about, that this happened to me, and I would never regret that. I am glad that this happened to me, because I feel that legal awareness is something that is lacking in the society. This should have been something that should have been there in the schooling of children, and that is lacking, and I strongly believe that everyone should have legal awareness. And coming to the teaching, I think the faculty has been extremely supportive, and again, the timings, if you see, are from 9 to 1:30, which is fairly decent compared to a lot of places, because when I've done my engineering, we used to have classes from 8:40 in the morning to almost 5 in the evening, with only an exception of a lunch break. It's too much of a burn for students, and this is something that I learned when I went to USA, where we would not have that hectic of classes. Classes would be scattered throughout the day, and that's when you get time to speak with people, and that's what I've been seeing in my law college. And I did not realize this when I was in India, but I think after going to the US, I realized the importance, because I used to see a lot of my fellow classmates speaking with faculty. I used to interact with faculty after lunch over doubts that we used to have, and I think this is what gives a rounded experience. There's a nice moot court hall in the college where I've seen students practicing, and students actually enacting the role of judges themselves, and even when the faculty was not there, and then fellow students used to argue on cases. I think this kind of culture, I think not just in our college, I would want to see in more and more places coming up. So definitely, I think it was an enriching experience for me to be a part of this college. And as I would say, whether I would practice or not in future, this legal knowledge that I've gained over the 3 years of my study, I think that is something that would stay always with me for my life. So I'm grateful for this.